Bulgaria has taken a significant step forward in strengthening its air force with the acquisition of the F-16 Block 70 fighter jet. Recently, Bulgaria's defense minister, Atanas Saprianov, led a delegation to the United States to attend the official handover ceremony for Bulgaria's first F-16 Block 70 at Lockheed Martin's facility in Greenville, South Carolina. This marks the beginning of Bulgaria's plan to acquire a total of 16 F-16 Block 70 aircraft under contracts signed in 2019 and 2022. This move is part of Bulgaria's long-term effort to replace its aging fleet of Russian-made MiG-29s and Su-25s. The country has been exploring various options since 2012, considering second-hand Gripens, Eurofighters, and F-16s from different sources. After years of delays due to financial and political challenges, Bulgaria finally selected the U.S. offer in 2018. The first contract, signed in 2019, covered 8 aircraft, including 6 single-seat F-16C models and 2 twin-seat F-16D models. The second contract, signed in 2022, expanded the order to a full squadron of 16 jets. The F-16 Block 70, also known as the F-16V, represents the most advanced version of this legendary fighter jet. With state-of-the-art avionics, radar, and electronic warfare systems, the Block 70 offers superior operational effectiveness. Equipped with the Northrop Grumman and /APG-83 ASA radar, the Viper Shield electronic warfare suite, and an automatic ground collision avoidance system, it is designed to perform effectively in modern combat scenarios. With a top speed of over Mach 2 and a range of over 1,700 kilometers, the F-16 Block 70 can execute a variety of missions, from air superiority to precision strikes. Its advanced systems ensure Bulgaria's air force is prepared for the future, while also enhancing interoperability with NATO allies. This acquisition is not just about replacing outdated aircraft, it's about future-proofing Bulgaria's defense capabilities. The F-16 Block 70's extended service life and cutting-edge technology will serve Bulgaria's air force well into the 2040s. Bulgaria is joining a growing list of nations, including Bahrain, Slovakia, and Taiwan, that have chosen the F-16 Block 70 for their air forces. With the arrival of the first jets by 2025, Bulgaria is strengthening its military capabilities and reinforcing its commitment to NATO, ensuring the country is prepared for the challenges ahead.